This is an old master painting, and as its name implies, it has some age. One of the ways that we understand old masters is through their condition. Here's how we use it. When we turn on ultraviolet light, modern restoration fluoresces differently than original oil paint. And here you can see within the picture a very clear Y-shaped area that looks to me as if the painting has been punctured perhaps in its long history. A very clever restorer has gone over it and very carefully touched up that area. Without that ultraviolet light, the modern paint and the original paint match perfectly. And here we have another beautiful painting. When we're looking at this picture and trying to understand its condition with UV light as a tool, we can see here a picture that has a slightly different quality in its restoration. Perhaps there have been more than one restoration campaign. When we look at things with ultraviolet, really what it is a time machine. And it brings us back and shows us what the true condition and the true history of a picture might be. UV lights are great, but they're just one tool in our tool shed to understand the totality of a painting. Other elements like provenance and scholarship give us a full picture of a painting and its history.